Hello, welcome to my page. I am the owner of Megan Made It. In this video, I'm using a MacBook Pro running macOS Mojave and Silhouette Studio Designer Plus Edition 4.1. This tutorial will help you to create a layered cut file in the Silhouette Studio program. I have selected a simple image with only 4 colors. Since this particular image contains both white and black elements, the first thing you will need to do is duplicate the image as I have already done. Next, select one of the images and open it in Preview. Select the Tools menu at the top, then the Adjust Color option. Next, select the white and black sliders in the Adjust Color window and reverse them. This will inverse the colors in your image. After you completed this step, save and close your image. Open Silhouette Studio and import your images. Once you have imported both images, select the Trace button in the toolbar, then click on the Select Trace Area option. Next, select the area over the colored image, adjust the scale and threshold until only the black areas are highlighted in yellow. Click the Trace option in the Trace window. Select your outline and then click the Fill button in the toolbar. Now select the color you want to fill your outline with. Here I use the color dropper tool to select a color that is an exact match to my original image. Next, go back to the Trace button and click on the Select Trace Area option. Now select the area over the inversed image. Click the Trace option in the Trace window. Select your new outline and fill it with a color that corresponds to the original image. Next, select the white outline, right-click, and select Release Compound Path. Then select the excess pieces and delete them. Highlight the remaining pieces you want to keep, right-click, and select Make Compound Path. Now select your black outline, right-click, and select Release Compound Path. This will separate the layers. Select each layer and fill it to correspond with the colors in your original image. Now we're going to combine the layers so they are suitable for cutting. We are going to select the Modify button on our toolbar. Then use the Subtract option in order to delete the top selected layer while cutting it out from the bottom selected layer. I'm going to do this for both the pink and the orange layer. Then I'm going to select every layer except the very center, right-click, and select Group. Next, I'm going to select the group image and the centerpiece and then click Subtract in the Modify window. Now I'm going to ungroup my image so I can see how the modifications changed it. After I verify that everything was cut out correctly, I'm going to stack the white piece over the rest of my pieces. Highlight the entire image, right-click, and select Group. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.